If you've ever thought that homeownership was out of reach, think again. In this episode, we're going to explore some innovative strategies that can be the key to unlocking the door to your dream home. Buying a home with less than perfect credit or without traditional income sources can seem like a daunting task. But fear not. Today, we're going to discuss some creative and proven methods that can make homeownership a reality for you. Whether you're a freelancer, or entrepreneur, or someone with a unique financial situation, there are options available. So let's explore some of them. One of the creative strategies gaining popularity is lease option or rent-to-own agreement. This agreement allows you to lease property with an option to purchase it at a later date and at a predetermined price. This can be a fantastic option for those who's working to build up credit or to stabilize their income. However, there's a couple of things that you need to be cautious about. In states where the eviction process is quick, if you miss one or two payments, you can lose your initial down payment or any monies that you've paid towards updates or repairing that property.